IER offers complete in-house fabrication of NEMA enclosures in standard and custom sizes. Our experienced design team uses the latest 3D CAD software. The fabrication process starts with our CNC laser and turret punch for precise sheet metal cutting. Our CNC press brakes allow for fast and easy custom bending and forming of stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum sheet metal. Experienced welders provide smooth, reliable welds to seams and brackets. IER is a full-service powder coating facility offering high-quality industrial finishes. All NEMA enclosures are assembled by quality-minded craftsmen and inspected for quality control. Contact IER today for more information on custom NEMA enclosures.